Beneath the shimmering surface of the world's oceans, a remarkable creature floats unassumingly among the currents. Its appearance is delicate, almost ethereal, a tiny, translucent bell no larger than a pinky nail, trailing slender, hair-like tentacles behind it. Yet this unremarkable jellyfish, known as Turritopsis dohrnii, holds one of nature's most astonishing secrets, the ability to defy aging itself. In the natural world, the cycle of life is well established. Creatures are born, they grow, mature, reproduce, and eventually, their bodies succumb to the inexorable process of aging. But Turritopsis dohrnii breaks every rule we thought we knew about the passage of time. When faced with stress, injury, or simply the end of its normal lifespan, this jellyfish does something virtually unthinkable. It transforms its mature cells back into a youthful state, effectively reversing its own aging process and beginning life anew. This process is known as transdifferentiation. In most animals, cells are highly specialized. Skin cells remain skin cells, muscle cells perform only their designated role, but in Turritopsis dohrnii, mature cells can revert to a more primitive form, much like stem cells in embryos. The jellyfish's cells then reorganize, developing into the earlier polyp stage, essentially the jellyfish's version of childhood. From this point, the creature can once again grow and mature, potentially repeating the cycle over and over, sidestepping death by old age. Scientists have dubbed Turritopsis dohrnii the immortal jellyfish, and for good reason. While it is not immune to dangers like predation or disease, its ability to repeatedly reset its biological clock makes it unique among known animals. This remarkable feat raises profound questions about the nature of aging, longevity, and the boundaries of life itself. How does such a small and simple creature accomplish something that has eluded the most advanced organisms on Earth? The answer lies in the jellyfish's genetic and cellular machinery. When threatened or physically damaged, the adult jellyfish transforms, its cells morphing into entirely different types. Muscle cells can become nerve cells. Digestive cells can morph into reproductive ones. This extraordinary flexibility allows the jellyfish to rebuild itself from the inside out, essentially starting fresh whenever needed. The implications of this process extend far beyond the realms of marine biology. Researchers are fascinated by the possibility that understanding the immortal jellyfish's mechanisms could one day unlock secrets to human longevity. If we could harness the ability to induce transdifferentiation in our own cells, we might find new ways to heal injuries, regenerate organs, or even slow the aging process itself. Yet, for all its promise, the immortal jellyfish remains an elusive enigma. Its habitat is vast and often difficult to study, and its life cycle is delicate and complex. Scientists are only beginning to unravel the molecular mysteries that underpin its remarkable abilities. What we do know is that nature, in its endless creativity, has produced a creature that bends the rules of time, hinting at possibilities once thought to belong solely to the realm of science fiction. The story of Turritopsis dohrnii reminds us that the ocean is a treasure trove of the unexpected. In the quiet, unassuming drift of a jellyfish, we find a living testament to life's potential for renewal and resilience. The immortal jellyfish, with its endless cycles of rebirth, continues to inspire wonder, curiosity, and the hope that perhaps, in time, we too might learn to turn back the clock.